M16 unboxing. Remove the packaging. All accessories are included inside. Remove the kickstand mounting screw. Align with the frame hole and install the mounting screw. Remove the handlebar clamp mounting screws. Install the handlebar, adjust it to a comfortable position, and tighten the clamp screws. Remove the front light mounting screws. Install the front light, adjust it to the proper angle, then secure it with the screws. Align the arrows and plug in the connectors. Adjust the brake lever, display, and thumb throttle to suitable positions, then tighten the mounting screws. Tighten the left pedal by turning it to the left, counterclockwise. Tighten the right pedal by turning it to the right, clockwise. Power it on and run a test.